What's up guys, my name is Paul. I'm going to Peru for 4 months. Here's what I'm bringing with me. So basically I'll be splitting this into 5 categories. There's clothing, toiletries and health, electronics, and miscellaneous. So when it comes to clothing, I'm very minimalistic. I've got one Lululemon black shirt. I've got this white tank top that I got back in Thailand at the full moon party. One more sportswear shirt. This is perfect for hiking and just being comfortable in general. I've got these pants here. You can unzip them at the bottom, which transforms them into shorts. Another pair of jean shorts. This is a little bit more on the stylish end. When it comes to hoodies, I don't like to wear big comfortable hoodies. I'll be wearing this one hiking hoodie. This just protects you from the sun. You got a little hood and you got something for your neck, and it basically goes down all the way down your arms. You don't have to wear sunscreen all the time. For belts, I'm not going to wear anything fancy. I'm literally just going to bring this. It's just a clip-on. As for swimwear, I don't need more than one pair. I was even debating not bringing this. I was just debating on going in my underwears, but honestly, I'm trying to keep my stuff dry if possible. This is much more quick drying than actual underwear. When it comes to underwear, I'll be bringing 4 pairs of underwear and 4 pairs of normal socks, and I'll be bringing 1 pair of thermal socks that'll keep me nice and warm during my hikes. I brought also thermal pants. When it comes to tops, I'm mostly focusing on building layers. I'll be using my sportswear shirts, then I'll be using my sun protector shirt on top of it. And then on top of that, I'll be wearing this nice little puffer jacket. Fits very nicely and compact into this little bag. And then as a final layer, I have the final one, which is this rain jacket. It's a nice windbreaker. I'm sure that all of that will keep me nice and warm up to probably -5, -10. Apart from that, I've got rain pants. I'm going to Peru in March, and that's still rain season, so there's gonna be a lot of rain. I'll be bringing this nice little cap. It's compactable. It's perfect for a backpacker like me. I'll be going in sandy areas, like big oasis that I want to go to, and I want to do some sand surfing there. But it's just good for protecting my lungs from all that dust. And then I've got a pair of gloves. These are the shoes that I'll be wearing. My girlfriend calls them Italian grandpa sandals, but you know what? I love them. They're super comfy. They're kind of stylish, and you know what, is perfect for the warm weather, and I can basically wear this with any outfit I want. So these are my hiking shoes. I've had this during my whole trip in Thailand. Did all my hikes with these. I love them. They're so comfy. When it comes to toiletries and health, I've got all my medication. I've got mosquito spray. I've got anti-nausea pills. I've got my razor in here. When I was in Thailand, I was using the sinks and the showers and the tubs in the hostels to wash my clothes. Because I'm staying in the cheapest hostels, sometimes the sinks get pretty nasty. I don't know if I'm washing my clothes or if I'm just dirtying them more in the sink. What I got is this scrubba bag. It's a portable laundry washer. All that I need to do is take a little chunk out of this, throw it in here with all my clothes, shake it up for 3 to 5 minutes. In these bags I have my bars of soap and my bar of shampoo. Last time I brought my headphones, it was pretty bulky and I feel like it took too much space in my bag. I've got these earphones. I didn't want to bring my computer along. I will be bringing it to transfer files from my camera to my phone. When it comes to this old Sony camera, it's a ZV-E10. It's just very slow. For a 15-second video, it'll take 3 minutes to upload. And I've got all my GoPro accessories, including my universal charger. I've also got my portable battery. This is essential because I'll be doing a lot of recording and I need my camera to record stuff and I don't want it to die on me. As well as my phone, I use it to translate stuff. I just really need it in my day-to-day travels. Let's move on to hiking stuff. I've got my air mattress here. It's super compact. I've also got my tent. This is a really small tent. Most of the time when I'm camping, like I'm pretty uncomfortable, but it's like on the verge of my limit. This is my sleeping bag. It's nice and compact. I'm not gonna spend more in order to get a smaller bag, so I'm gonna have to do with this for now. And last but not least, I've got the miscellaneous. So basically I have a liner. It's basically like a big sheet that wraps around your body. When I'm in my sleeping bag and I have dirty clothes, it'll keep my sleeping bag nice and clean while dirtying only this. It's so much easier to clean than to clean the whole sleeping bag. And also when I'm in hostels and I don't trust the bed, I don't know what's in it. The one thing that I'd say I'm not minimalistic with is this neck pillow here. It's just my one thing that I didn't like to have for those long bus rides and for those overnight airplane flights. And honestly, it's not that big, smaller than the size of my hand. Another thing, I've got these padlocks. These are good for locking my bag when I'm leaving the hostel. And finally, my documents. Basically, I'm bringing my driving license, my immunization record. I've got passport photos, my passport, and my wallet. As for towels, I'm bringing this little compact thing. This is about the size of my body. It's quick drying, it's microfiber. I could have brought a normal towel, but that would have just taken a third of the size of my bag, and I'd just much rather buy a towel that's 1/10 of the size of a normal towel. I've got this nice headlamp here, of course, sunglasses. When it comes to water, back when I was in Thailand, I was drinking bottled water all the time. I started being conscious of how much pollution I was doing. I decided to bring my own water bottle this time and just filter out the water. So basically I'm gonna have my good Nalgene bottle here, and then I've got this 1 liter pure filter. Basically this is gonna filter out anything in the water. I've got these water tablets. It gives you the final touch to make sure that your water is nice and drinkable. This one airplane company provided me with this eye mask, and I've kept it since, as well as reusable earplugs. Last but not least, we've got the bags. This is my travel bag. I got it from Nomadic. I used it on my Japan trip. It's very, very nice. This is the back, actually. This is the front. It opens like a suitcase. There's plenty of storage in here. There's a place for my Chromebook. There's a place for my shoes. There's just a bunch of accessible areas. As for my day bag, this is nice and compact. Basically, it's this cute little bag that are perfect for small day hikes or just walking around the city. And of course, I've got my pouch if ever I just don't want to be carrying a big bag with me, or I'm going out to go party. I've got this, and I can have all my valuables in here in my front so that nobody can steal this from me. I've heard so many people that get their stuff stolen, and that's the end of their trip. I hope you guys learned a thing or two, and I'll be posting some vlogs about my travels very, very soon. See you guys in the next one.